And farther, you have to run farther.
Two, and then after this one.
And say thank you. Can you please do that? So the whole purpose of this day is to thank the family members. So let's do that. It's a way of gratitude. Okay, so let's say, and I thank my parents as well. Thank you so much. So did you guys say thank you? I didn't see you guys saying thank you.
Asha Mano, thank you very much.
Thanks. Our business head Aditya Singh.
Good morning and welcome everyone. Very very happy to see so many families and so many people turn up here. And this should do this family day earlier also in person for a long time. One of those cherished traditions of the company which we could not carry on with. But the good news is now with the pandemic receding and all of those dangers becoming lesser, we are restarting this. So this hopefully is a tradition. Thank you for supporting the employees. It's a big thank you to all of you. Welcome and enjoy the day.
Thank you all.
We at ACT believe that employees and their families are the very integral part of our inclusive culture. We are recognized as one of the most reputed companies and one of the most successful companies in India, primarily because family members of our very committed employees. We will have
1,500 employees. We are a 1,000 crore plus organization, and we have almost 1 million subscriber base already. Our success as an organization would not have been possible without the contributions and sometimes the sacrifices of the
I request you please can you participate everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then after this one. Sit down and out. Sit down and out.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೂತಪ್ಪ ಹಾ
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Encourage, please. I want all the audience to keep clapping and call out your family members' name if they are participating. Okay, I mean, still louder. And farther, you have to run farther, people. Dura dura odi. Chairs hatrane odbedi, dura odi. Chairs ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಡಿ ಓಡಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೂತ್ಕೋ.
Okay. So we have 6 people seated. Others, thank you for participating. You have to run fast. ದೂರ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Super.
So we have the 4 people participating. Claps now. ಬೇಗ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು. Pala. Abhishek.
Dilip.
Dilip. Okay, Dilip's son Abhishek has won, and
Punarviran.
Punarvi
Reddy.
Reddy. Okay, Ram, this is for you. 6 here.
Right? That is almost 21,000 people who are interdependent with the company, right? So before we take any small decision, we think of all the people, that is all of you, right? And that is how we work as a company, and probably that is why we are successful. I would like to thank family, I think, for extended people not been there working on the field, making it happen. So great work, guys. I think we are really proud of you. We're really proud of I think families who have stood and supported them. We will connect with you shortly, I think, with Kids Carnival, which will come up. 2 years we did that online, but this year we are happy to say that most likely we will be, if situations are fine, we will do it offline, that is in person. We'll have a great Kids Carnival event. Looking forward to continued support from all of you. Thanks a lot for coming. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ 7 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್
Popcorn.